Hello guys, good morning again. This
Waiting
is
for the bus.
at
Video muna
Fort
tayo.
Edmonton. Nasa Calgary Trail tayo.
The weather here.
Ito yung sitwasyon dito. Grabe yung snow. Nag-snowfall pa rin until this hour. At ang temperature is dropped to negative 10 degree. But everything is still resuming. Tumatakbo pa yung mga sasakyan, lahat. And dito yung road guy may naglilinis para maalis yung ice sa daanan para to prevent accident kasi nga po medyo marami na yung ice, madulas yung daanan guys. Ito dito ko sa bus station, may nakalagay na no smoking policy at yung bus station is glass.
Situation
I don't know
here.
what the purpose of it, basta glass yung bus station nila, siguro para makita yung labas at sa loob kung sinong nasa loob at labas ng bus station. So ito sa Calgary, yung harapan ko is a building na parang services. At sa likod ko naman ay andyan yung Walmart na saan ako nang galing na namili kaunti. At as time goes along the way, may nakita ako sa taas na mahal pala dito guys pag nahuli ka na naninigarilyo sa loob ng bus station. Ayan yung fine niya is like, papakita ko sa inyo, $250. So guys, napaka-organized talaga dito. So hanggang dito na lang muna. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Bye.